Hey everyone, I want to show you how to pack versatile earrings for your summer getaways. So step one, you want to pick some earrings that are versatile and that will go with any outfit to kind of save space. So here I have picked some Spring Frost earrings. I've also have some sentiment earrings, which give us that gold touch. And then also I picked these Faye earrings that have this really beautiful moonstone. And I even, for example's sake, I brought in the necklace as well that will match. So first step is pick your style. What kind of jewelry do you want to bring with you? And the second step is you want to pick the way that you want to travel with your jewelry. So a lot of times our jewelry comes in these really beautiful organza bags. And a lot of our followers have told us they actually use these organza bags for travel. And they're nice and flat, and then they also keep the jewelry separate. So for this example, I'm going to put our beautiful moonstone necklace from Faye in the bag with our earrings. And now we have this super lightweight, very thin and easy to travel with bag. A lot of our other followers have these really super cute jewelry boxes. And so in the jewelry box, you have the opportunity to hang your jewelry in multiple spots. You'll have a spot for rings and bracelets. So here I'm going to go ahead and put our really beautiful Spring Frost necklace right there to keep it separate and compartmentalized. But I actually have a matching embrace necklace that's right here on the other side. As you can see, the focal part is actually nice and safe. It's tucked away in this pouch, so that way I don't have to worry about it getting tangled as I'm traveling. And the third and the funniest one I found was actually using your glasses case as a travel case for your jewelry. It's nice because you can put it in your carry-on, it's very discreet, and also our earring cards fit perfectly right in there. So you can actually put multiple pieces of jewelry, stacking them right in there, and you don't have to worry about them folding or bending or breaking. Which leads us to our final piece of advice today, which is take your pieces of jewelry and put them in your carry-on bag. So that way you can keep all of your valuable items nice, close, and personal to you. We so appreciate you all, and I hope you have a great week.